Daily Planet Asia Tech all week.
Welcome back. Now, navigating the seafloor off the southern coast of Korea isn't easy. High tides and strong currents have made it nearly impossible until now.
Now, we found a lab where they have a giant crab, and by giant crab, I mean giant autonomous robotic crab.
That's right. Scientists have developed something called the Crabster that they're going to be putting to the test this summer. We went behind the scenes to find out just how it works.
A supernatural landing. This six-legged robot is about to be set free.
The robot is similar to the crab and the lobster. It has the characteristic of both of them.
There's the little one and this giant version. And in the very near future, the big Crabster will roam the floor of the South Korean Sea to survey and scour, searching for shipwrecks and debris that might hold clues to the past.
We would like to identify some object in subsea.
Building and testing this mechanical marvel has been a team effort, led by Bong Hwan-jun at the Korea Institute of Ocean Science and Technology.
When I was a child, I loved to make the robot. That's why I am a scientist. This is one of the best projects I worked. It's very exciting to see the little Crabster and now to see the real Crabster.
Why a robot designed after shellfish? Well, these crustaceans are often found off coasts with tidal waves. They can live there because they constantly control their posture. If they didn't, the current would blow them away. A scale prototype came first to test balance and walking patterns.
In my lab, there is a big treadmill, so I can test this robot in the uneven terrain.
The big one is almost ready for the sea. It's the size and weight of a smart car. It'll be transported in a shipping container along with its control room. Lowered by a crane, Crabster will descend 200 meters below the surface to work in high tidal currents.
It can stay continuously as long as the power is supplied.
There will be enough power to keep Crabster working for 24 hours a day, enduring currents of 1.5 meters a second. How fast is that? Well, divers say their masks are ripped off in half that speed.
We would like the robot to make work more safely and more precisely in that kind of harsh conditions. It has streamlined body because we utilize current to stabilize its attitude. By controlling the attitude of the body, we reduce the drag and increase the lift force. So we would like to stabilize the body in the current conditions.
Also, it can be so murky in these waters that a diver can't see a ruler length in front of them. Crabster will use 10 optical cameras and a long-range scanning sonar to cover a 200-meter diameter.
For the two leg has 3 more joints than other legs, so it can be an arm as well. We can pick up with the arm and we can retrieve that object to the surface.
Here, it's deadline time. In 2 months, Crabster will be deployed, and this team is still working on the legs, making sure they move in all the right directions before body armor is added.
The key technology is the harmonious control of each legs. The leg has a total 30 joints, and it's very difficult to control.
4분의 1번 관절이 지금 몇 도 정도 나왔어? 4분의 1번. 마이너스 1, 2도.
조금 더 크게.
그러면
그러면 제가 2번을 들고.
We did a test of changing the posture by controlling all of the joints.
Everyone stands back. Should one of these robotic legs go rogue, everyone is in trouble. Each joint on every leg has the same torque as a car.
그걸 원위치 다시 하고 위로 한번 Z 마이너스
G 마이너스는 2번 내지 3번은 가능할 수 있어. 지금
한 번만 더 할 수 있어.
예.
It's very exciting, and we always worried about the accident in the experiment, but today we complete perfectly without any accident, and I'm very satisfied.
Crawling ever closer to its first mission, they're already thinking about the future of Crabster.
It's our future hope. We would like to make the Crabster work without cable. Also hoped to make the Crabster to swim.
Navigating the sea floor is a tricky task. When we return, Asia Tech takes to the skies. Could this be the future of navigating yourself around town?
You rev, you go up. It's that simple.
Stay with us on Daily Planet Asia Tech.